use filters in your daily activities, here is a trick. What you can do is you can just go to any cell of your data set, click there, and then press Control and T. Okay, you will get the range of the data set of the data table that you have. You can simply go and click on OK. Now, in a design section, in the left hand side you can see an option to insert slicer over here. Just click on this. Okay, and then I'll select, I need the filter on the basis of places, so I have selected places. Okay, so now as you can see I have got four options here: east, north, south and west. So what I can do is I'll just simply add, change the number of columns. I don't want in this in row position, I want this in columns. I have updated the columns to 4. I have this thing here ready. I'll just resize the filter option. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just copy and drag it here. Now, as and when I read the data based on the filters, the data gets updated. When I click on east, I have the filters based on east, on north, south. Okay, so this is the easy approach that you can use. If you like the video, please do share it with your friends, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.